In the dynamic world of electronics manufacturing, are your IT management systems keeping pace? Or are they holding you back? Are inventory management challenges and production visibility a daily struggle? At Priority, we deeply understand the hurdles that you face. Challenges such as ensuring product quality, delivering customized solutions for your demanding customers, and more. The Priority Cloud ERP manages the entire manufacturing process, from initial design to final delivery and beyond. We're with you every step of the way. Priority's highly flexible Cloud ERP allows electronics companies to control and optimize their operations while responding quickly to market dynamics and adapting to new business models and work processes. Empowered by AI, machine learning, and advanced analytics, Priority ERP brings you a suite of functionalities to manage your manufacturing processes, financials, supply chain, customer service, and more, serving as a single source of truth. The open platform allows you to easily connect to other software and IoT solutions. For over 30 years, Priority has been revolutionizing manufacturing and supply chain efficiency with smart flow monitoring, visibility, and traceability, reducing errors by automating processes, boosting operational agility with unmatched flexibility, and driving growth of electronics manufacturing companies. Discover why industry analysts such as Gartner and IDC recognize Priority as a leading global ERP vendor. Explore Priority ERP today.